That severe threat has increased across the Mid-South, including Memphis, Tennessee. Enhanced risk. Tornado threat, 10% chance, and could be long-lived tornadoes. Also, the threat of damaging winds, a 30% chance for them. And hail. Now, for our area, we do get into a risk of severe storms as we go into late Thursday night, but it's just marginal at this point, and it's only for the western community. So we're going to really kind of dodge the bullet with this system for sure. Let's talk about our temperatures this morning. We start off rather chilly. There could be some patchy fog. So far, so good, but don't be surprised to see a couple patches of fog. We'll quickly warm up. That's going to be the story today, as we'll be in the low 40s at 6 a.m. We're hitting 70 by noontime, and we'll top off in the mid to upper 70s. And yeah, Valdosta, I think you're going to make it to 80 today. Southerly winds cranking up 10 miles per hour. Will be partly cloudy to mostly cloudy this evening, and mild with more clouds. Will kind of hang out in the 60s. We will fall into the mid-50s tomorrow with some patchy fog redeveloping in the morning hours. So southerly winds taking over. You can see this low pressure really starting to bomb out here across Arkansas and Missouri. Thunderstorms blossom with some heavy rainfall across Tennessee. Thunderstorms will be most intense in the mid-south and then into the deep south as we head into our Thursday afternoon. Once these storms get going, we're going to warm up big time tomorrow. Temperatures should be all near 80 tomorrow, and it will be breezy too. So here come the showers and storms. They really don't arrive until after midnight for our area. So it's going to be after midnight till around maybe 7, 8 o'clock. And that'll be it. And then the showers will quickly dissipate and colder air will rush in. Our temperatures are going to go backwards on Friday, meaning it'll be warmer in the morning in the mid-60s and cooler in the afternoon, falling into the mid-50s. And then that'll set us up for a possibility of a light freeze in our northwestern communities Saturday morning. So there's an enhanced risk across portions of Alabama, including Birmingham, but our risk drops off to marginal, the lowest level threat. 5% chance of damaging winds. We don't even have a threat of an isolated tornado that stays to our west or hail that also stays to our west in the yellow here. You can see that Dothan will be included in that, and Montgomery and Enterprise. But here in southwest Georgia, we're doing pretty good. Again, that line runs from about Americus down through Newton, down into Bainbridge, westward. So those are the locations that will have the threat of severe storms late Thursday night, generally after midnight till daybreak. 55 to 81 tomorrow, mostly to partly cloudy. It'll be breezy, and then that rain chance, it'll peak about 60% before the sun rises, and then 50% in the morning hours, breezy and clearing. And there's that temperature change, 65 to 58, and when the wind's blowing, it's going to feel rather raw, and it's definitely going to feel cold on Saturday because it will be cold. 33, flirting with freezing temperatures. Our northwestern communities should see a freeze, and we'll see the winds too out of the northeast about 10 miles per hour. That means wind chill factors will be in the 20s. So bundle up on Saturday, 59 for a high, and then 36, a cold start to Sunday, but mild with sunshine and 69. Today in Georgia, 5 to 7 a.m. We'll see you then.